Hi friends! Happy Thanksgiving! Today I'll show you fun, easy things we can do together. First, big stretch. Arms up like a tall tree. Wiggle fingers like falling leaves, nice and slow. Activity 1, thankful jar. I take a cup. I take a jar. I add little paper hearts. I say I'm thankful for family. Drop it in. Plop. I'm thankful for warm food. Activity 2, leaf art. I find safe, clean leaves. I make a leaf rainbow on the table. Red, orange, yellow. Snap a picture. You can find leaf photos and videos on pexels.com. Activity 3, turkey handprint. I spread my hand. Trace, trace, trace. Add eyes, add a beak, add silly feathers. Gobble, gobble. Activity 4, color hunt. I look for 3 orange things. Pumpkin, carrot, cozy blanket. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Activity 5, help set the table. I place a napkin, a spoon, a cup, nice and gentle. Helpers make smiles. Activity 6, snack shapes. With a grown-up, I make fruit circles and veggie sticks. Circle, square, triangle, crunch, crunch. Activity 7, thank you calls. I wave to Grandma on a video call. I say, thank you, I love you. Activity 8, quiet story time. I curl up with a book about gardens, leaves, friends. Now, a tiny dance. Step, step, spin, big hug,